everyone, how are you all? This is Priyanka. Today I want to show the black smoky eyes which I've already done, and this is one of the mostly requested videos which I have got. I'm supposed to do it quite actually, because the thing is I couldn't get the scope to do this video. So today I don't want to waste much of your time. I just want to switch to the video part, but prior to that I just want to tell it to you, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and those who are the old one, please put as much as like as possible if you're liking the video, and if you want to put any comments, then please put comments in my inbox. Okay, so let's move. So girls, I have already applied moisturizer, so now I will going to apply primer. Okay, and I've done with my eyebrows part, so I will not going to show the eyebrows in my this especially in this video. Actually, I'm trying to make a different video for eyebrows, but I'm not getting a scope. Okay, fine. So now I will going to show you a technique for the black smoky eyes so that you can avoid the fallout part. Okay, I think you have seen this technique in my last video also. I'm taking a tip. As I've told it to you, these videos are mainly for the beginners. Many of you might be going to say like, Priyanka, I know all the makeup parts and all these things, so I don't think I will be using tip. So again, I'm saying it to them, these videos are mainly for the beginners, not for them. Okay, so what I will be doing, the very next thing I will be doing, I will apply concealer. Okay, for concealer I'm using, I forgot the name, oh my god, Milani Pro Concealer. My shade is 135 medium beige. Okay, concealer according to your shade. Okay, I am much more comfortable in using concealer rather than face primer. Okay, so the sponge I'm using of the Real Technique, it's already a wet sponge. You need to wet the sponge, then you need to use it. Don't use any dry sponge. Okay. Might be people will going to laugh like what exactly I am saying. Everyone knows. But these are the basic things. You should keep it in your mind. Okay, so again the next thing what I will going to do, you can see again the pimples are there, they are back. So मेरा काम क्या है, इन लोगों को हटाना पड़ेगा ना मेरे को. So what I will do, I'm using the orange character of Elegant Pro Concealer. Okay, mainly the pimples are there, so wherever the pimples are there I will be using there only, nowhere else. Okay, and the under eye part. Okay, fine. So this is the thing, so I will keep it like this. Okay, I'm looking horrible as well as terrible, but you have to bear me with this. Okay, so the very next thing what I will be using, I will going to apply the base color. Okay, so for base color, as this is the black smoky eye one, so girls, I will suggest it to you not to use any kind of base color. I will go directly to the black smoky eye part. Okay, so what I will be doing, I'm taking a kajal. Okay, any simple kajal, for which I'm using my gel liner kajal. I have bought it from Stone Dryer. I don't know whether it will going to work or not. If it will not going to work, then I have another spare kajal, but the kajal by which you can smudge the color, not the smudge proof. Okay girls, please keep it in your mind. Here you won't be using any smudge proof. See what I'm just doing. Just normally drag the kajal and do it like this, nothing else. You don't have to be very much specific and very much perfect. Okay, so just follow what I'm doing. You don't have to be very much specific. Enough. Because we will be smudging this color. Might be I'm looking like a ghost or a Dracula. I know that. But please bear with me. Okay, fine. So the very next brush which I will be taking, I will going to take this kind of brush, okay? And I will going to smudge the color like this. See what I'm just doing? Just dab the color, nothing else. See? Just dab it. Nothing else. Similarly, just dab the color. Nothing else. Again, I'm telling it to you, no need to be perfect while dabbing the color. घबराने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. When we are doing any kind of smoky eyes, especially the black smoky eyes, we feel very nervous actually, like what will going to happen. Then I'm taking this palette. This palette is of Profusion palette. Okay, so here the shades are Paradise. I have got 35 hell lots of colors. Like it's a very beautiful palette where you will be getting all the nude shades as well as some glossy shades also. So from which I'm taking the shade, that is the brown shade I'm taking. So for which I'm using this brown shades, okay? And I'm using my brush. This will be, let me check, is the eyeshadow brush? Yes. This is the brush I'm taking. See, the fluffy brush, okay? And what I'm just doing, this color I will be taking, okay? Corner of my eyes. Then I need to smudge the color. I have told you in my earlier videos also, whenever you are doing any kind of smoky eyes, okay, after using this kajal, try to give this a little tinge of brown shades, okay? See, from the outer corner to the inner corner, and hold the brush in this way, not here but here. And those who have the very good grip, they can hold it here also, okay? But since you are not a professional one, I'm also not a professional one, I'm holding it like this, okay? See, just blend it. Now your work is to blend the colors, black as well as brown. See, I'm just blending both the colors. Again, I'm taking, dab the color, blend it, nothing else. Girls, just blend it. Blending and blending, you will be get the ultimate perfection. See, okay, see how I have done. I think you have seen this corner. So now what I will going to do, I will be using, see, this black shade I'm using, okay? Very little amount, see, Very small amount. Now you have to be very much careful, girls. With the same palette I'm using, just blend the colors, nothing else. And don't get afraid while blending. See, whenever you will going to do any smoky eyes, you have to be very much careful. Like this upper lid part, you won't keep it blank, okay? Because you won't be putting any kind of liner. So again, I'm folding here and I'm smudging it like this. Okay? Again, now I will going to do my this eye. I will smudge the black as well as brown as well as black kajal. I'm sounding quite dramatic today, no? Because I'm in a very good mood. I don't know why. Again, you need to fill it up. See? Fine. This thing, it's done. Now, what I will be doing, I will be doing another thing, that is a small part. I will be using a concealer, okay? That is, you know, I need to keep the extra one then. This part, okay? You have to be very careful, okay? Because I have already applied color, okay? So what you will going to do, you will here you can't use sponge, okay? Why not sponge? Then it will go to smudge the color. So I will be using here this brush. Just tap it. Just tap it, see? Fine, okay? So the very next thing what I will be doing is I will be using a highlighter, okay? So what I will be using, just a minute girls, it's behind my camera actually. Okay, so here I'm using my palette. You see what's the condition of this one, the Wet n Wild one. It's in a pathetic condition, but I don't want to leave this palette. I'm really in love with this palette, girls. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm taking a brush. I'm confused, like which brush I can take. It's a black one. Okay, fine. So I will be using this color, okay? See. Okay. Any highlighter you can use, not necessary that you need to use this highlighter only. Any highlighter you can use, okay? So the very next thing I will be doing, I will be using kajal in my waterline part, okay, for which I'm using my very favorite Color Mix one. It's so pigmented, girls. I just have fallen in love with this kajal, okay? I bought it from here itself, from Target. You will be getting the same kajal in TJ Maxx. going to smudge this black color with the brown color which I've used it in the corner. Okay, so for which I will be using my smudger brush. I think I bought one smudger brush. This brush, see, smudger brush. I'm using the brown one and I'm smudging it. See, I have done. Girls, I'm removing this tape. See. See. So the very next thing what I will be doing, I will be using my mascara. Okay. Fine. Okay, so now what I will going to do, I will take this color and take this white color from my Swiss Beauty palette and I will going to highlight my corner part. See? See? Just the corner part, nowhere else. See? See? Just the corner part. Okay? So now my next job is to dab this corrector part. Okay? Fine, girls. Now I will be using foundation. I'm using in a very small amount. See, this much I have taken. Okay. Much I have taken, see. And I will going to smudge this one. Wherever I want. Don't forget to apply on your ears and on your neck as well as this part, neck part and throat part while you are going outside, but I'm not using it right now because I won't be going outside. This is only for the video shoot I'm doing. So you people please don't skip. Okay? Fine. See? So now I will be using my CoverGirl corrector palette. Okay, so where I'm using the contour I will be using the concealer also. Okay, so what I'm just doing, I will be taking my tapper brush. I'm not getting my tapper brush actually. I don't know where I've kept it, girls. Yeah, I've got it. Here it's. So I will be taking this concealer. This will be in my skin shade. Wherever my pimples are. Nowhere else. and under eye part. Okay, nowhere else. See what I'm just doing? Okay, so then I will be using, I want to contour. Okay, so I need to cut my cheeks, for which I'm using this shade. I will be using, not this shade I will be using today, I will be using this shade. I will be contouring my nose, this part, this part. Okay, just draw a straight line. See, straight line. Forehead part I will going to contour. This part I will going to contour. This part I will going to contour. Wherever you want to contour, just put it like this way. Fine, I'm done. So what I will do, I will going to smudge this, all the colors. See. Whenever you are smudging your eyes, if you're comfortable enough, use this part, the tip part. Okay. Just dab it. Don't do it like this. Just dab. Just see. Okay, fine, I'm done. I will be using my compact. Okay, for which I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Generally, I don't use any loose powder. Okay, I prefer compact. Again, I will going to dab it. Nothing else. Whenever you are doing any kind of makeup, please keep it in your mind. Just try to dab rather than doing this and this. Fine. So I will be using now the bronzer. For bronzer, I will be using my Stila. Okay. Yeah. One of my favorite bronze with a very lovely shade actually. So I'm using the same contouring brush actually, because I need to bronze my nose. See how much it's pigmented. Just see. I won't be using any strobing cream today. Just see. So then I'm using this brush. It's a fluffy brush. Generally I apply my foundation with this brush. I will be using the bronzer today with this brush. See, this is all about. Now I think I am ready, almost ready, so I can use my nose pin. Okay, so I will be using today a nude shade, for which I'm using my shade. It's Maybelline and it's 660 Touch of Spice. Okay, So today I'm basically using the nude shade, okay, as I have done the black smoky eyes, so I'm using the nude shade, but it's not mandatory. If you are keen enough to apply red lipstick, you can surely go with it, okay. So I'm coming up with the red lipstick also. I will show it to you, and please let me know like whether you have liked this nude one or the red one, okay. So I'm just coming with the red lipstick part, okay girls. Remove this one, little bit of pink shades are still there, okay. So I will be using this red shade, okay. This is for Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid 36 Red Punch. This is my new shade. Let's see how it's look like. Okay girls, so this is all about. Please let me know like whether you have liked the nude shade or the red shade. Please let me know. So I'm just coming back adding one earrings, okay, nothing else, okay girls. So stay along with me. See, this is the final look which I've got. I put a bow clip here, okay. If you want to put any hairband, you can put any hairband. If you want to keep your hair open like me, you can keep it open, or if you want to make any kind of ponytail, you can do it. You can go ahead and just do it guys. And one more thing I just like to tell you, I just want to know the nude one or the red one, which one did you like most? Please let me know girls, because if it's a daytime you can use nude one, and if it's a night party you can use obviously the red one. Any kind of red vibrant shades you can just go ahead and just use it guys, okay. So this much for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye, see you all. Mwah.